Welcome to Tesla Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're going down south at the Charlotte Pike Supercharger in Nashville, Tennessee.
let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Nashville, Tennessee, where they have a total of 12 superchargers at the Charlotte Pike Supercharging Station. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. You know what to do to share that appreciation. There's a like button down there, thumbs up, heart, whatever the heck it is. Make sure you hit that, slap that. There's a subscribe button right about there. Make sure you know what the heck we're doing and where we're going. And if you know anyone that wants to hang out with us, make sure you share the content over with them. So here are my initial impressions of the Supercharger in Charlotte Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. Initial thoughts. There is a big Target shopping center right behind me, and actually a lot of other stores. So if you have to make a pit stop over here and do some errands, your needs will be met in that respect. Initial feelings. I don't have any outstanding feelings whatsoever, but it's nice and green here, so it gives that feeling of peacefulness. Initial concerns. No concerns. It seems to be a really nice, safe, and friendly neighborhood. And that's all I've got for you for now, so hang tight and stay tuned for the review. Let's give our guest Sam our ear so she can tell us about the area.
I mean, this Supercharger is pretty convenient. I mean, you've got Target right here. You've got a lot of places to eat. Nashville West is a cool shopping center because you have a bunch of different options if you wanted to walk around, especially if you're not from the area. For me personally, I live right down the street, so we just kind of pop over here and charge, do some shopping at Target, get our groceries. It's really convenient. It's right off the highway, so it's an easy on, easy off if you're traveling. As far as the area, it's not too far from downtown Nashville, so if you're just popping through Nashville, there's a lot of different things you can stop, especially this main strip, Charlotte. There's a lot of different restaurants and stuff you can kind of drive past.
Do you have any favorite restaurants in the immediate area?
Miss Saigon, which is right down the street. Some good Vietnamese food. I'd probably recommend that.
Okay, now if this place did not have any superchargers, would you still come back to this shopping center?
Yes.
How come?
Because it is, you know, Target's here, and I come to Target whether I'm in my Tesla or I'm not in my Tesla. So.
1 full star for chargers, 12 of them at 250 kV 24/7. 1 full star for bathrooms, 248 feet away inside Target. Safety gets 1 full star. You've got well-lit outdoor parking. Food and beverage gets a full star. You've got a nice mix of a market, coffee, familiar eats, and sweets. Cool factor gets half a star. This is a very nice, basic Target strip mall supercharger. The Charlotte Pike Supercharger in Nashville, Tennessee gets a 4.5 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions, half a mile from the 40 freeway Charlotte Pike exit. Let's give our guest Sam the final word.
Do you charge at home, Sam?
We do.
So, since you charge at home, how come you supercharge?
It just, my partner is a real estate agent, so he uses the car to drive around town. So it just makes it easy for us to just pop over here, charge super fast for when he needs to use it.
If you had a chance to be mentored by someone, anyone throughout history and time, who would that be?
David Lynch, because I'm an aspiring film director, and he kind of inspires me more than anyone because he's super weird, and I love I love his art.
Come on over to LA when you have a chance.
I will.
Now, if you had a chance to mentor someone, who do you think you would like to mentor?
My nephew. Well, he's 3 years old. He's super curious. I love teaching him about the world and seeing how it shapes him and how he grows. It's inspiring.
It certainly is. Now, I'm wondering, before we leave, do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
Words of wisdom. If you don't own a Tesla or you're unsure about one, I think that it's definitely worth the investment. Everyone I know who has a Tesla loves it. It's super fun car to drive, great for the environment, great for your pocket, for gas money. Super convenient to just find a supercharger on your route when you're traveling. You just type in your destination and it brings you right there. So I would recommend it.
Thank you so much, Sam. We'll see you later, okay?
Thank you.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Nashville, Tennessee at the Charlotte Pike Supercharger, where they have a total of let's do that again.